Tuesday morning's my favorite morning of the week. My fresh vegetables are here. I love it, I love it. Fabulous. Let's see what the goodies are today. I always forget what I order because you order on Thursday. All right, throw this away. And then all of my beautiful veggies. We have, let's see, this is organic. I think this is kohlrabi. This is ginger. We have I'm so excited to share with you today how I prepare my juice, which I've done for about the last 17 years. It's such a great way to start your morning. We have protein, which we'll add all the good things later, and a great way to keep that morning blood sugar level all the way to lunchtime. We're gonna start with some celery, do some Brussels sprouts today, and some cilantro. It smells so good. And some Swiss chard, we'll do that. Some kohlrabi, and 3 different types of kale today. Some blueberries, staple of grapefruit. So here we go. My choice of weapons to make my juice is the Ninja blender because you don't separate the pulp from the juice. Just kind of put it together here and start rinsing all the fruits and vegetables. And unsweetened grapefruit juice, just in case I need a little bit more to blend with, which I think I do right now. Maybe a couple tablespoons of each. And put the lid on, and then we get to be noisy. Run it through one time. Add in our vital proteins. Vital proteins are essential for great skin, hair, and nails. They provide collagen and peptides. So I use 1 scoop of that. I use 1 scoop of protein powder, and I think you need to find out what's the best one for you. I like a plant-based protein powder. It just agrees with my system the best. So I do a scoop of that. It gives me about 22 grams of protein. Then I will do, by Arbonne, they have, it's called Greens Balance, and it's just extra basic nutrients that you can't just get from regular food. I use about ½ teaspoon of that. Do 1 shake of cinnamon, and this is really good for leveling your blood sugar. Turmeric is great for inflammation. I have scoliosis, which we've talked about before, and you wake up with a very stiff back and the arthritis and all that stuff. So turmeric's really great for inflammation, and ginger is also. So about ½ teaspoon of turmeric. And then all of my other little fancy additives, which I change however I feel like it. So today we have makwee, we have camu, we have maca powder, and we have acai. So I'm going to do about ¼ teaspoon of each of these in there, and then we're going to reblend. After all the additives get in, we're going to run it through 2 more times because they don't separate the pulp, and we want to get it as the consistency pretty thin, able to drink, to get through the straw. We are set, ready for the masterpiece to be tasted. All right, take all of the things out that can hurt you. And so we're gonna just pour it in my little love glass because that's what we make, a glass of love every day. And lovely filmmaker, her little shot. Okay, we're good. There you go, enjoy. I love Tuesdays. The juice is the freshest on the first day. I get my vegetables.
absolutely delicious. Bon appetit.